A rating model may contain any number of different transformations, where each applies to a specific period. There may be curves, each for a different rating period, as the hydraulics of the river change over time. Likewise, any individual transformation can have one or more shifts for different periods according to changing river dynamics. Natural hydrometric controls are seldom perfectly stable due to changes in river physical flow controls, which can cause changes to the stage versus discharge relationship, thus to the rating curve. Shifts allow us to develop temporary adjustments to the low section and occasionally to the middle section of a rating curve. Use the Shifts pane to add and update shifts for the selected rating curve. Each shift can include up to 3 points, each defined with an input and shift value. Shift amounts are applied to the points of your base rating curve using the information provided.